We just completed this 7.5 kVA 48 volts inverter installation system, and here we use this is 7.5 kVA inverter, as you can see. It's inscribed on the body. 48 volts. Yes, the battery system connection is in 48 volts, and we use the tubular battery. You can see here has supply. Okay, the charge controller, here it is. Felicity 80 amps charge controller working perfectly, and you can see the protection circuit and devices we use. These are surge and the breaker. Here we have the mini control panel with these indicators, pilot indicators. You can see here. This is the alarm blower, which tells you that there is a fault in the circuit, and this green pilot light indicates that your inverter is in perfect working condition. Then the yellow here indicates the battery health status, and the red is the alarm. That's after the beeping of the blower. After 15 seconds, you get your alarm on. Alarm indicator on. Okay. Fault indicator on. Then run it and see how it works. Okay. So you can see here from our mini control panel, the indication here shows that the circuit is in perfect working condition. You can see here. Okay, this is the breaker for the panel. This is the breaker concept of the panel. As you can see, this is the cable. I know it's a long distance, but we have taken care of the losses. So we're going to be having minimum losses. Losses is being taken care of. You see? Okay, let's just on construction. It's just a new house. Okay, you can see the panel here. It's a car park formation. Okay, you can see the panels here. It's a cap.